Hello friends, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. So this is part 1 of React tutorial series. In this video series you are going to learn React from scratch, from development to the deployment. So what is this React? React is an open source JavaScript library used to create reusable user interfaces. So mainly this React is used for creating the single page applications or SPA. So you can create any number of components in this React, reusable components in this React, and you can integrate them into a single application. So nowadays React is quickly taking over application development, and lot of companies are already using React like Facebook, Uber, Netflix, etc. And many companies are already moving to this React. So your skills are going to become more valuable in the future, and with this React you can able to build web applications that can run on the browser, or you can build the native mobile applications that can run on Android, iOS devices, and you can build desktop applications that can run on Mac, Windows, etc. And in this video series you will be going to learn the fundamentals of React, like state, props, and you can learn class components, functional components. You can learn lifecycle hooks in the class component, and recent versions of hooks in functional components, etc. And you can then you will be moved to advanced concepts of React, like state management, like Redux, and context API, routing, etc. And next we will be moving to real-time scenarios, where we will be learning how to write code for many of the real-time scenarios. And next we will be moving to build a real-time application like order management application, or any e-commerce application. So from this video series you can learn entirely from development to the deployment of your project. So the last thing is, what are the advantages of this React? So the main advantage is you can have a large number of React community. So there are a lot of open source projects, the queries and jobs, tutorials, etc. in the online, so you can use them most. And at last you will be utilizing all these concepts what you have learned for creating an e-commerce project, or order management project. So by this end of this series you will be able to learn and create your own applications and solve complex challenging React problems and apply for the React jobs. So I have created a React integration series parallelly, so you can go back to my channel and view them. So this is end of this tutorial series, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos on React. Thank you.